How to add multiple hairs on your Roblox avatar. Looking for a way to wear multiple hairstyles on your Roblox avatar? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to equip multiple hairstyles at the same time using the Roblox avatar editor. This method works on both computer and mobile, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to change your avatar. Once you're on the Roblox website, select Avatar from the menu on the left. Then, scroll through the avatar options and select Accessories. Next, choose the Head category. Here, you'll see the different head accessories and hairstyles available on your account. Now, look for the Advanced option and select it. This will open the Advanced Accessory settings, where you'll see several fields for entering asset ID numbers. To add multiple hairs, you need to get the asset ID of each hairstyle you want to use. Open another Roblox tab and find the hair accessory you want. Once you're on the items page, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a series of numbers in the URL. Copy those numbers because that's the asset ID for the hair. Go back to the avatar editor and paste that number into one of the asset ID fields. You can repeat the same process for each hairstyle you want to add. Find another hair, copy its asset ID, and paste it into another field. Once you've added all the hairstyles you want, click Save to apply the changes. Give Roblox a moment to update your avatar. Now go back to your avatar and you should see multiple hairs equipped at the same time. If a hairstyle doesn't appear, double-check the asset ID you entered and make sure you copied the correct numbers from the item's URL. And that's how you can add multiple hairs to your Roblox avatar. If this guide helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.